So number 3, save number 3. One must take care not to take a head count of men. That's a big mistake that many people do. To assert that there is a Minyan present, for it is forbidden to take a head count of the Jews, even for calculation necessary for the matter of mitzvah. This is learned from which it is written in Shmuel Aleph 15:4, with regard to the count that King Shaul made of the army. Shaul had all the people summoned, and he counted them through lambs. Pri Hadash 51:1, 55:1. We're going to explain. Okay, so let me just quickly read the custom, and I'm going to explain what does it mean. Shaul had each man take a lamb from Shaul's own flock, and they counted the lambs. Rashi. Although Shaul was involved at the time of executing mitzvah, he refrained from performing the actual head count of each of his men. Okay, so let's see. Let's try to understand what's it mean. So we are forbidden to count to take a head count of men or Jewish men, because it's like Ayin Hara and other things, so people can die. Even Moshe, when HaShem told him to count people, so he did through the half a shekel, right? That's where half a shekel came from, right? So in order to know, so it was like on one hand it was the nation to bring to the temple. On the other hand, it was in order to count people, and there we have several counts in the Torah, basically, right?
Sure. Question.
So, yeah, go ahead.
You're not allowed to count people for a minyan, but you're allowed to count like their kippah or their shirt.
Short, kippah, whatever you want. Yes. Yeah.
As long as you just don't count that.
Not the people, or some of people, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. That's how they count. Okay, there are many ways, but you cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay. There is a special verse that we're going to say that from Tehillim that have exactly 10 words. So if you know it by heart, so you can say this verse and see if you have enough people. Basically,
also, right? Rabbi, I've heard people usually they have something even simpler. They just say the Birkat Hamazon, but not the Birkat. Sorry, the blessing you said before the bread, and it has 10 words according. I mean, not exactly. I think it's 10, but it also has 10 words in it, more or less, and that counts as the 10 people. So if it fits, exactly. You have the minyan.
So you do whatever. There's other ways around. There is in the Kitzur, I think it's is it from Birchas Hamazon?
Okay.
Okay. Well, we're going to get it. I don't remember where is it from. So basically, any other way, like not straightforward way to counted people with any verse, different verse that have these 10 words. So basically, it works. So never ever count people by head, and if you can, stop others from doing so also. Right? That's mitzvah, because people do not know, but they bring curse on all other people. So the story that we learn from is from Shaul. As I said, I'm not sure why he's saying from Shaul. They could have said from Moshe. I'm not sure. I mean, the story from Moshe was before the Shaul, but anyway, he uses the example from Shaul. So Shaul was not was actually very rich. So he had his sheep. I'm not sure what does it mean. Maybe they recounted twice of the sheep. So basically, he had these flocks of the sheep, and he gave to all of his warriors, and they would bring him sheep, and they count sheep. So meaning the guy would bring and leave. So that's how he knew how many people he has. Okay, so continue. The prevalent custom when counting men for a minyan is to count them by reciting the words of the verse in Tehillim 28, verse 9. Save your nation. Since it contains 10 words, thus one knows that there is a minyan when he has completed the verse, recited word for every man in a room. Okay, so the first verse says, save your nation, and bless your inheritance. Tend them and elevate them forever. So, which is on one way you count people, on another way, like you bless them, which is very good. So you're doing two mitzvahs at the same time. You count and bless them. Okay. So continue. I think it's very straightforward. I mean, Kitzur, of course, Kitzur, it's not. He does not go into details. To go into details, we have to go into another book. But at least he gives the big picture of everything that is going on. That's what the beauty of it.